I chose to do cosmetology because I love doing nails. I've always done nails and kind of hair and braiding. That's always been my thing.
I've always been interested in hair and like makeup and nails and stuff.
I've always been interested in nails and hair, and I just thought it would be a lot of fun.
I signed up for cosmetology because I wanted to learn more about hair and nails.
I've learned how to do curlers, different types of makeup, and hair masks.
It's a very solid career choice after doing it, and it's going through the program here helps to minimize the amount of debt afterwards too. So I chose to do this program because I have minimal debt afterwards, and then I will have a solid career choice.
I would like to continue with getting my credits and everything and my hours in for cosmetology and then get a part-time job.
If I were to go work at either like a beauty supply store or at a salon, those skills are definitely what they are looking for. Those are the things that you need in order to work in those places.
One of the things new that I learned this year was pin curls and finger waves and six-figure curls.
I love it just because everyone's so nice and it's just like a fun way to end my day.
You should totally join it. It's worth your time and it's a lot of fun.
I really like it. It's a good environment and everybody's super nice.
I would definitely do it if you're interested in like this as a career because it saves like a lot of money and it's very enjoyable.
I'll totally do it because even if you're not going to choose this career choice afterwards, you've got all these skills for your future